Honorable Deputy Speaker.
Speaker, sir. No,
Just one moment.
point of order, nothing relating to the business.
Please sit down.
Speaker, sir.
Please sit. Honorable members, as we continue this session, I trust that today proceedings will reflect the spirit of mutual respect and constructive dialogue that this House stands for. We shall now take up the business for the day. Postponed star question.
Speaker, sir, point of order. Okay.
Under Rule 49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I would like to postpone star question number 1A to the next session. Similarly, another unstart question number 010, tabled by Alex Regional, I would like to postpone it to the next session. It's a comprehensive reply, so I want to give a proper reply. Though it is unstart, I want to give a proper reply. So these both may be postponed to the next session.
Speaker, sir, एक point of order. आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना आनी I would like to bring it to your notice that today a lot of answers that are given to us, basically the replies sub judice, most of the cases, whatever replies we have got, specifically I will place it on the table of the House. Today it is our right to, Speaker sir, debate on even matters that are sub judice. It is, we should not speak on the merit of the case. But as example, सगळे answers mainly दिले sub judice. We are here these matters are taken using public fund. If we cannot selectively जोरीतोर आमी sub judice matters declare करचे ना. Example, मुखेलमंत्री आंदा गोंयभर भोंवता म्हजे घर तेगे घर काय न्हू तें म्हजे घर स्कीम तेंय sub judice. पूण तो पेरगांव इतलो मोगान लोकांचे इतलो मोगान आसा इतलो मुरगोटा आसोता इतलो मुरगोटा ते तुवें सांगपाक जाय सब जुडिस तुमकां जाय तसले सिलेक्टेड सब जुडिस. स्पीकर सर, this is not fair. It is our right of all the members here. Sub judice matters needs to be discussed. Secondly, Speaker sir, जे आज point of order आमचे चिंबेलचो लोक आज they are protesting. They met Honorable Chief Minister yesterday. हांव केलो तेदो आपोवं ना. पयलीं दिसा म्हणलो आपयतो म्हणून. But today their demand is जे सब जुडिस आज ह्या सरकारान एक सब जुडिस खातें सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंट नेक्स्ट सेशन आम सगळे सब जुडिस आनी एक खातें उक्ती करचे पोस्टपोनमेंट खातें म्हणजे पोस्टपोन करूं जाल्यार थिंग घालप टाक 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 ही दोन्ही खाती करची वॉट आर वी डुईंग आनी हे चिंबेल्स लोकालेले डिमांड आहे की होल्ड जे कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आहा कीप that order, Speaker sir, तुम्ही challenge करपा न्हू. This is what is their demand. So I think Honorable Chief Minister, you need to look into this and basically initiate a dialogue. Otherwise, there will be a law and order problem. Today there are not hundreds, thousands will be there. And yes, sub judice for muta. Please give us an answer. So whether Majegar should be discussed here or no. Chief Minister today will speak. Governor also spoke about Majegar. That should be discussed or no. तुम जाय तितले आज मादई सब जुडिस, CZMP सब जुडिस, TCP सब जुडिस, टाइगर रिजर्व सब जुडिस, जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट सब जुडिस, हा तितले सब जुडिस. तो एक सब जुडिस खाते तुम्ही नेक्स्ट टाइम ओपन करचे आम्ही ते सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंटा मागी थंय घाता. हे चोयल्यार मुखेलमंत्री बाब तूं दोतोर हांव विमानाचो पायलट हे चोयल्यार हे करोस आमी मागी आदोगाद जातले आनी आमचे स्पीकर जुईज जातले अशें दिसता.
ठीक आहे सर. आणि चिंबलचो विषय जो काढलो पळय न्ही तो हांव मेन्शन करपा खातीर उबो रावलो. काल तेंच्याकडे डायलॉग ऑलरेडी सुरवात केला तेंच्याकडे हांव ताका सांगता कारण ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू देम सगळे म्हणजे
काल डिमांड सांगिल्लो ऑर्डर तुम्ही चॅलेंज करपा नाही म्हणून ऑर्डर तू चॅलेंज को नाका
तांकां कितें सांगलां तें तुका सांगलां तेंच्यांनी
हय सांगलां आमकां.
काल ते जेन्ना उलयल्या तेन्ना ऑर्डरूय मेळूंक नाशिल्ली ऑर्डर तेच्या उपरांत मेळ्ळ्या. ऑर्डरीच्या संदर्भात तांकां कितें विचारपाक जाय आसलें जाल्यार आयज येवन तेंच्यांनी 4 जाणांनी उलोवनी. हांवें ताका सांगलां
ऑर्डर तुवें वाचल्या
ऑर्डर आज वाचले हांवें
माय ऑर्डरा प्रमाणे and what is your decision? Are you going to challenge it in the court?
I want to take the legal opinion. हांवें आयजूच
No, this is legal opinion. Speaker sir, this is not the people.
Postpone star question number 3A.
पंच सरपंच आणि law and order problem करपा जाय.
When the Vegas postpone star question 3A. Postponed star question 3A.
A call for a Mohammed. Call it out.
तेका याद ना एनजी
3A mode re.
तुका याद ना तो इथं
3A mode re.
पोस्टपोन क्वेश्चन 3A.
He called.
म्हाका सांगपा जाय आता तो पळय विषय करता पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इज अ राइट ऑफ द मिनिस्टर. Even a member under 49(1) is allowed to withdraw his question. These are rights. These are according to the rules. These are the rules if he does not read them. बेश्टे कित्याचेर विषय याचेर इश्यू केलो जायना स्पीकर सर.
Call out to
बस रे
3A.
Question start question number 1.
Answer provided.
कोणागे थोडी विचारपूच ना तू आन्सर कित्याक दिता थोडी दिवं ना
I have already called out the next question.
Next question.
Start question number 1.
Start. Why one? 3A he called out the question.
No, he has not called out the question.
He called out. कितें उलयता रे? शे. हे स्पीकर सर मातशे मुखेलमंत्री मातशे शांत राव रे मातशे राव सगळे तूच उलयता. तो स्पीकर कितें आहा आमकां ना जाल्यार मातशे राव मरे की
Start
सुसेगाद
question number 1.
मातशे सुसेगाद.
He has not
स्पीकर सर
he has not stood up.
he stood up and called
I'm
out.
looking at him for the last 10 minutes.
Sir, you already
Hold up.
Question star number 1.
Thank you, स्पीकर सर. He said answer
number
as
one.
cyclostar mo answer केल मत तेणे. कितें तुम्ही? If he called it out, Speaker sir, he called out the question and he said answer as per cyclostar mo.
Another point of order. Speaker sir, you have called question number 1.
Question number 1.
Speaker sir, without him calling out that question, why did the minister reply?
अरे कितें
Does the
बोलता?
minister
Start
know what he is
question
doing?
number 1.
Postpone star question.
Why is he answering things which are not being asked? It's simple, Speaker sir.
अरे Speaker sir.
There is a decorum of the house.
ये ऐसे
No,
history झाला
reply
history झाला.
quickly.
Never in the history has something like this type of precedent happened.
तो
He has called the question.
अरे तशें नाही.
He has called the question.
विचार करता हो गया. बाकी सगळे उलयता स्पीकर सर.
Speaker sir, advocataचेर
Vijay Sardesai, please sit down.
कोट्यांनी रुपया मोडले. Result zero.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Start question number 1.
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही म्हाका उबो राव म्हणला हांवें 3A म्हणला आतां हें डिस्कशन कितें म्हाका समजना कठीण
Start question number 1.
लिगल फिजाचे क्वेश्चन घायलो तुम्ही
तो
म्हाका
काबराल
उबो राव
मंत्री
हांवें
जाता.
3A म्हणला तें एक्नॉलेज केला आतां हें डिस्प्यूट कित्याचें म्हाका कळना
Because a Cabral, Segadre, swearing in
सांग
the
बरं.
time aha.
Speaker sir, give your ruling. Give your ruling.
I have called
No,
out-
give your ruling without asking the question. Why did the minister reply? I just want to know this.
I have
If he
already
has
called
never
out.
asked,
Start question number
why did he
1.
reply?
Start question number 1.
Minister सपनेदा.
Start question number 1.
ना स्वप्न आयले तुझेच आयले
Minister
स्वप्न.
सपनेदा. तर कितें minister बरो ना? ना
Because
टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर सपनेदा. कितें जालें ताका? अरे तो विसान नासतना रिप्लाय कित्याक दिली? ताणें जर विचारूंकूच ना जाल्यार रिप्लाय कित्याक दिली? म्हाका कळना. Speaker sir, give me a ruling on this. I will cite the rules. I will cite the rule under which you have to give me a ruling. You give me a ruling how minister could reply without the question being asked.
he's
Simple thing.
Shaktiman.
One for his mind only.
अरे this is a serious issue. कोट्यांनी रुपया शेकड्यांनी कोटी मोडटात.
Because
सब जुडिस करपाक आनी रिझल्ट मेळना. विश्वजीत राणेचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटच कोर्टान आहा. फुल कोर्टान आहा.
एक क्वेश्चन गेलते म्हाका विचारले हे जो लिगल फीज आहे तेजे फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे प्लेस कोत म्हणले ते गेलते पार्टी फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे घालून गेलते पार्टी घालून आणि हे पार्टी आता आमचे क्वेश्चन एसकोन मिसगाईड कोताय
Easy am किती हा गोयात.
we want the entire revenues that was being collected to be tabled on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time.
Please sit
कोताय
down.
म्हणले
Nancy Vegas.
हे पार्ट करपाचे आता
Please sit down.
पोस्टपोन आता
Please sit
पोस्टपोन
down.
काय
No, you can't postpone question.
I call out.
This
I
is a
call out.
postponed
Start
question.
question number 1.
अरे but how can you postpone a postponed question? What happened to the postponed question?
Postponed or postponed?
Postponed as
postponed.
from moving Gudino just now postpone the question to the next session.
Postponed as a
In the next session, can you do this?
postpone.
What is being done today? आता तुम्ही पोस्टपोन केला नेक्स्ट सेशनान केले सेम ताजे तेच करा
Last session.
अरे लास्ट how it can be postponed again? It can't be postponed after it goes to the next session.
Because of Masha ruling.
There is a ruling. Legislature secretary advised, don't make a mockery of the house.
Never has happened like
You
this.
cannot postpone a postponed question.
This is more.
What did you reply?
More.
What did the minister reply?
Did you actually hear
The
me
question was not called.
You didn't reply.
No, minister who करावलो.
Next. What's the next question?
Abhi Subhash Fernandez cannot advise like this. He wants to become town planning minister. That's what he's telling
So
you.
we want you to table.
Everybody
want
wants
you
to
to
become
table
town
the
planning minister.
entire fees that has been collected on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time. You had told us that you are going to table it out. You did not table it out. We want you to table out.
Speaker sir.
I call for the question. You stood up.
How inside Speaker sir. J 3A.
No, I don't know what is 3A, but
Honorable member,
I'm going to
honorable member,
Cyclostar.
Honorable member.
Speaker sir, ये कैसे ले रहे हैं गुंडाओं
Honorable member, I had asked the honorable member to call out the question number 3A.
He called it out, Honorable
He
Speaker,
did not,
with due respect.
he did not stand.
Sir, can I show you?
He did not
Can I
stand.
show you him calling the question?
Check this.
Check this.
Check.
Check this. Benji is calling out the question.
Okay, 3A.
About Vijay. Correct.
मैं एक 3A मोई आयको
अरे call केला तर आपण
स्टार्ट
start
कर
करायचे.
आओ नाला इंसादा
अरे किती तुम्ही डडडीत फटी मारता मरे स्पीकर सर फटी मारपाक तुझो एक लेवल असता
This
इतकी
is
डडडीत मारत ना
mockery of good governance.
Okay, honorable member, call out question number 3A.
Speaker sir, जे details as per annexure 1 on दिलो आहे. Those details are not complete. We want to have the full details of the entire fees paid till date. यो जो details दिलो आहे तो सारखं काय information ना I want my first supplementary to be answered very clearly. We want the entire details to be tabled on the floor of the house. Speaker sir, वो अतपान answer गेलते party दिलोला, अतपान answer ए party दिलो Speaker sir. We want entire clear details and explanation of why these fees are not collected appropriately and why there is discrimination in collection of these fees, Speaker sir.
Honorable Minister.
He's asking about the two table. And tu answer na? Answer na?
पीछे
3A then delay.
सांगून दे ना स्पीकर
सांगेल बरं.
स्वप्न तयारी सांगितले अलाउड केले प्रश्न केले
स्पीकर सर
स्वप्न रे बाबा
मंत्री स्वप्नेता कितरी झालो
स्पीकर सर
आणि हाऊ स्पीकर सर मुख्यमंत्र्याक I request him to take care of his right side.
Question number
तुझा
3.
राईट हँड मॅन तो स्वप्नेता अशी जाऊ शकना आणि त्याने सांगले मरे तुका कॉल आउट केलो मरे
आज टेबल
केलं
what is this
1B काय किचो
किती हा
3A.
बरे हांव जाता स्पेसिफिक इन्सान
ना ना स्पेसिफिक इंसान तुका तुगे नेक्स्ट इयराचे तुझो आन्सर दिला फर्स्ट एजो तो आन्सर क्लियर ना वी नीड टू नो द डिटेल्स हाउ मच फीज
पहिला प्रश्न-
कलेक्टेड एंड व्हाई यू आर कलेक्टिंग फीज इन अ हैजर्ड
अरे
मॅनर
आता speaker ने खंयचे दिला?
डाउन
स्पीकरान खंयचे आपयला क्वेश्चन
3A सर
Speaker sir, as far as 3A is concerned, all details have been given to the honorable
those
member.
details are falsifying details. We need to make sure that you give us the entire.
Speaker sir, I can't hear if 10 people speak in a
Please
particular
speak
time.
one at a time.
No, no, answer into annexure A. Please table it on the floor of the house. We will tell you all that details that are not been given.
No.
And this is all falsifying. This is.
Honorable member Mr. Venzi Vegas is talking so loudly and I am going deaf. We have got a good sound system put by honorable speaker.
That is not the answer to the question.
Please, do not
Let
interrupt.
him give a very specific question and to that question today before the by 12:30 I'll put it on the floor of the house. I don't know what is
This was
specifying.
committed last time. It was never done.
All the details have been given in
we
this
want these-
answer and has been uploaded, Speaker sir. I cannot give any more information that he's asking for. If he has anything specific, let him table the question on the floor of what specific information. अरे दिला ते घाल म्हणून सांग ना रे.
Supplementary right होता का?
नाही,
किती रे
ते ऑनरेबल मेंबराक हांवें सांगूंक सोदता तो कितें मागता तेका सांग म्हूण सांग वाच म्हूण सांग हांव ऑफिसराक सांगता दी म्हूण घालता न्ही
Specific question हांव विचारता.
Prior fees paid till date do not match what you have given. We want you to specifically
आयज
give the
पर्यंत
entire thing.
तेका जर जाय
That is I know. गोयंचे लोकां जाय गोयंचे लोकां जाय आनी गोयंचे लोकांन गेलते पार्टी मागलोले आनी गेलते पार्टी होच आन्सर आहलो फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस घातलो गेलते पार्टी हो आन्सर दिवन
Let the minister reply.
we
Let the
want
minister
before
reply.
this session gets over in the afternoon to be tabled not after 1 o'clock specific time गेलते पार्टी दिवू ना अशें कोण सांगलोले
Because,
need these details now.
because they विचारतात they are asking cases which are in the courts which we have given the same. If there is anything additional he wants, we'll give it. We cannot answer beyond the brief is.
So you do
all,
what
all,
you do question of
all the
At a time,
things-
please.
I
Please sit down.
Vijay,
AG is your main officer.
Vijay Sardesai.
ऑफिसराचेर बेश्टे घालू नाका उत्तर दिता.
Speaker sir, AG is the legal officer. He is a member of the
Vijay
house.
Sardesai.
Yes, sir.
Wenzy Vegas is asking, your element, please.
No, we are asking, but he is not replying to the question.
Because, sir,
Every now and then, there is a breach of whatever information he is giving to us. Last time also was the same thing. A party same zalya. Answer same
Yes, sir.
answer.
Because,
Why
sir,
is this consistently happening in every
You're
assembly
talking-
session?
you're talking of
जो
this
जो host
question.
मागताय याच क्वेश्चनाचे परत answer मेळना speaker sir. And we are asking the question परत दुसपायन परत मुट्टा we will table on the
because
floor.
प्रश्न त्यांनी खंयचो A, B, C, D खंयचे मागता तू?
If we are talking about your annexure A,
No,
the
annexure
answers
A.
what you have given
Yes.
are not correlating with what the facts are there.
You have asked the questions, right?
Yes.
You have asked the questions. So should I read it? You have asked, there are cases which are in the courts of law.
Don't have to read the question,
One
you
minute.
check your annexure.
Yes, all have been paid and all the details are paid, we have given, and you read the question very clearly. If there's anything missing, you tell me, I'll place it. There's nothing to hide.
Nothing missing in the question. Answers are missing.
Yeah.
So answer check
See,
to kit borel to.
Benzi, all the time honorable member likes to create, everybody tries to create a big bogey of certain things. Here everything is mentioned and everything has been mentioned. Let him be very specific to what he wants. I'll give it to him. I have no problem.
We want the details of the fees paid which you have not put. All your
Yes, sir.
information is falsifying.
Because, sir, आम्ही
Your
general-
information is falsifying. Your
general
information
सांगता.
is not
आम्ही
mentioned.
सगळे दिले. आम्ही आता समजा 9 कोटी सुमार बिलां झाली. आम्ही जे आतापर्यंत पे केल्या ते एक 5-6 कोटी रुपया आम्ही पे केल्या. तेका एक्झॅक्टली स्पेसिफिकली कितले आम्ही आमकां आमचे बिलां वयर काडल्या ते लीगल कंपनीन आणि आम्ही कितले पे केल्या तुका हांव आयज दिता एका पयलीं दिता.
ना तू एका पयली केन्ना दिना.
postpone कित्याक केलो?
फोन केल्या
Why haven't you got these details? पार्टी कशें केलो तुवें?
postpone कित्याक केलो?
1 minute. These people have got a.
What do you mean these people?
1 minute.
Sir, these
1
people-
minute. ऐक रे साहेबा.
It's a language of these
तुका ते
people.
व्हडल्या आवाजान ते रॅली नव्हती ती असेंब्ली ती म्हाका ऐकपाक येता तुजें कितें आहा तें.
व्हडलो आवाज आणि-
ना, व्हडलो आवाज म्हणजे ऐकपाक येता हांव बॉम्ब मारू
मार तू.
तुका ऐकपाक येवचें ना मागीर.
अरे आपको गोयंचे लोक
अरे गोंयचो लोक सोड गोंयचो लोकांनी
हे जे कोट्यांनी पैसे जे माफ
अरे
केले,
कोट्यांनी पैसे एवढे व्हडले करू
त्याचे
नका
हिसाब
मागीर.
नाही speaker sir. Our
Speaker sir.
DCP department is doing maximum fraud.
I
like
Speaker
speaker
sir.
sir.
No, I
Serious
point
allegation
of
of
order.
fraud.
Please
Second
ask
time we are
the
asking
question,
this
sir, the
question and I am
question.
concerned now speaker sir.
No, Speaker
Every
sir.
time this is happening.
I
The same
want to raise
minister
a
in the
point of
same
order.
department.
तो जाय
And
ते
chief minister
fraud
executive
करता.
आहे.
And हे इलेक्शनाची तयारी करता
तो इलेक्शन तयार करता
हाय, इलेक्शन आज तुमचे ना एलायन्स तुमचे जावचे ना आणि एलायन्स करपाक आणि दुसऱ्या बसता आप पाहिजे झाले दिल्ली दोन
Because sir, friction
I
आहे,
don't think I want to answer this question if he is going to be debating for the issue.
Election.
very specific.
अरे आय विजय केस कित्याक जाता केस कित्याक जाता तुका बरें तें अरे हांवें सांगलें तुका पयरूच तुवें जेन्ना हात वयर उखल्ले तुजे घात करतले म्हणून तूं आमचे हात धर हांव तुका धरता आनी हाडटा ह्या सायडीक
Because sir,
आनी तूं आमच्या सायडीक
because sir,
Second, sir.
very specific.
Please,
The
please,
current
hold on,
status
hold on,
of
hold
the
on.
cases.
Hold on, one moment. How many of you all want to ask a question?
Because sir,
Why is he standing?
I can't talk to 3 people at a time.
Please sit down. One of you all ask the question. Wenzy Vegas.
Correct.
Yuri Alimon, please.
First supplementary mark answer मेळना. Second, all the cases that
Because
are
sir, point of
disposed,
order. कितें मेळोंक ना तें सांगूंक लाय.
all the cases that are disposed and dismissed, हेजे जो status हा, हो मेळना. all the cases that are
Kines
disposed
आहे.
and dismissed. We want why you haven't given us this information.
What information? Again, explain to me.
होय. किती?
Explain to me. What information you want?
The cases which are disposed and dismissed as current.
All the
status.
cases are running in the court.
So I want
So
the
that's
status.
why you
I want the actual status
you want
of how much
no, one
fees
sec.
you have collected.
Let's talk in English.
Huh? Let's
Because
talk
I
in
can't
English.
understand the speed of which you speak.
How English बोलत मरे?
अय म्हाका कळना तू मदी कोंकणी उलयता
Sir,
मदी इंग्लिश
how-
कळटा म्हणजे
how
आमकां-
English उलयता?
आमी
Let's
सादे
talk
लोक
in English.
आमकां कळपाक जायना ते
किती बोलला?
आमकां सारखें सांग की बाबा तुका जे
आजी बाय
cases
साश्टीची-
अरे,
ती
why
काय
are three people standing?
कोकणी सारखी नाही होत.
Honorable members,
आता we are wasting
one
20
person to
minutes
ask a
we have
question.
wasted.
please ask your question.
I
My
can't
question
understand.
is,
कोंकणी
why
उलयल्यार,
haven't we
मराठी
given
उलयल्यार,
the
इंग्लिश
information
च्या
of the
साश्टी ग्राउंड मराठी उलोवपाक
disposed and
लागला.
dismissed cases? Because sir,
Can you repeat it, please?
we need specific information and status of the disposed and dismissed cases. We haven't got this information.
We will give him that information.
Why you have not given? I have asked and I
अरे I said I'll give
Give
you
him
information. There's nothing to hide.
The question.
आमचे सगळे केसेस चालू आहा कोर्टान डिस्पोजल जावपाचे कित्याक तुम्ही
आमचं
घालिता
कितें?
आणि त्याच लोकांक
आम्ही
तुम्ही
objection
केस येता आणि त्याच तुमचेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा
बरे
Objection
speaker sir,
करता.
एक मिनिट very specific speaker sir, I'll be very specific now. From your answers, it looks like your department looks more like a legal background and more than rather than a planning authority that TCP has to be. Instead of focusing on their regulation, development, zoning, sustainable growth, your energy is consumed more in defending cases across High Court, across Supreme Court. My question is across High Court, across Supreme Court, across NGT, and this situation is not accidental. Lokache galopna. People are forced to do this. And that's because
I want to just correct you. Point of
Why is it
order.
disturbing me?
Point of order. Is it a specific institution that shut down mining or is it a
Sir.
specific people लोकांचे म्हणून तुम्हीच हा लोकांचे
Sir.
हित समर्पक
Sir, 1 minute.
आम्ही ना हांगा लोकांचे हित
Speaker,
समर्पक आणि फाटलो इतिहास काढून देऊ
Speaker sir,
आणि तू आज काँग्रेसाचो लिडर एक मिनिट हो काँग्रेसाचो लिडराचो ऑपोजिशन हा
Speaker, sir.
ह्या लोकांनी चड आणि चड कन्वर्जन आपल्या टायमान केल्ले आसा 9.5 कोटी
Speaker,
स्क्वेअर
sir.
मीटर आणि हे हेंका अधिकारा टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचेर विचारपाक हांगा दिव तुका स्टेटमेंट की काँग्रेस पार्टी डिस्ट्रॉयड द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा बाय कन्वर्टिंग द लार्जेस्ट लँड अरे बापरे मुख्यमंत्री असलो त्यांचे गोष्ट काय बापायचे मुख्यमंत्री तो सगळ्यांपेक्षा
Speaker,
चड
sir.
एफिशियंट मुख्यमंत्री तो आशिल्लो आणि ते आम्ही कोणी हाऊसान जर
कोण
बसल्या
efficient
त्या
आलो?
लेवलाचेर पावचे ना
कोण आलो एफिशियंट तू
Speaker, sir.
एफिशियंट आलो
आता काँग्रेस डिपेंड करता काँग्रेस आलो काँग्रेस काही करता
काँग्रेस अरे तुम्ही काँग्रेस आशिल्लो तुम्ही बीजेपीचे सरकार आशिल्लो आणि आमचे मित्र काय out आहे?
ओरिजिनल काय होतं सगळं डुप्लिकेट
अरे ते खुर्ची सोड्यान हांगा यो.
Honorable Minister.
गरज असले आमचे सगळ्यांचे
सर पयली सद्या एक मिनिट जो तो उलयता काँग्रेसीचेर पयले सुवातेर 10,000 थिंग आहाय जो काँग्रेसी केलो तेकाय एक्झाम्पल जो युआर
हांव कोणाचें example दिता, हांव पार्टीचे example दिता.
फिंगर्स दिगंबर कामत
अरे दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका
माहित.
दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका
कोण केले?
एका बी तुवें लिडर मानूंक जाय तो आमचो तेन्ना लिडर आशिल्लो विसरलो अशें मागीर कशें
Because-
तूं आयला कसो वयल्यान येवंक ना तुझ्या फाटल्या इतिहास काढून पळय कितें आहा ते इलेक्शनान आयलो कसो हे इलेक्शनान येवपाचे पयलीं तो इतिहास काडपाक पळय ते इतिहास दवरलाय हांगा दाखोवपाक
अरे इतिहासान उरना जे आज गोंय चल्ला ते
अरे आम्ही
स्पेसिफिक कितें
म्हाका काय कळना तू कितें विचारूंक सोदता ते
सर,
आणि ऑपोजिशन विचारता की बाबा काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि हेच वचून ते स्टेजीर बसता आणि गोंया राखूंक जाय म्हणून अरे गोंयची वाट लायली शॉर्ट पॅन्टाचे वाट लायले हे काँग्रेस पार्टी वाट आणि तू त्या काँग्रेस पार्टीचो लिडर 3 आमदार उरल्या बाकी आयले ह्या सायडीक तुझे काँग्रेस पार्टीचे फुडले फावट इलेक्शनात तू एकटो कल्याण दिवं बाकी सगळे वयता घरा
सर हेज मुखार
हा, माझो friend हा, पळयतोय, पळयतलो.
एक मिनिट हेज मुखार स्पीकर सर
एल्टन येतलो त्या एल्टनाक आम्ही सांभाळटा
सर.
तू एकटो सांभाळून घे की तू
ऐक रे.
जे
अरे,
डिफेंड करता
पहिले-
अरे ऐक हांव सांगता ते
सर.
तू जे डिफेंड करता ते पार्टीन 9 कोटी स्क्वेअर मीटर केल्ले
Can you-
आणि तुम्ही टार्गेट करता डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना तुम्ही गोयचे वाट लायला काँग्रेस पार्टीन
सर.
आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी तुला
सर.
जस्टिसान सांगले तुम्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युशन हेडाक डिस्टर्ब करता म्हणून आणि तुमचीच पूछ मारली ह्या म्हणून वचा ते फर्स्ट वर वचा अरे आवाज इतले व्हडले करपाक आमकां बी कळटा
Because,
तेहतीस लोक बसले हांगा.
Honorable Minister,
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर
विजय
काय विजय बी काय ना विजय आमचोच.
हो तू गेलो
आमचोच तो माझो बरो मित्र तो आमचोच.
Speaker, sir.
अरे विजय सरदेसाय आमचोच माझो फ्रेंड तो.
1 minute.
तू बी माझो फ्रेंड.
Honorable Minister.
ऐक रे.
what is this happening?
Hey, LOP.
Just sit down.
अरे how you sit down? You tell me.
Speaker, sir.
You
Please
tell
sit
me.
down.
You are diverting the issues. You are talking about saving Goa.
Point
You
of
have the
order.
right to save Goa.
will save
You don't have the right to save Goa because you have entered into politics on a state of corruption.
Save government.
Are my foot you save Goa. You cannot because Congress has destroyed. That's why your numbers were
Congress
69.
is not
And
destroyed.
leader of opposition came on a state of corruption into the party. अरे तू विधानसभा आयला कसो
विश्वजित कसो आयलो बोलो आयलो लोकांनी धाडा
आणि
Yuri Alemao.
लोकांनी धाडलो बी घरा.
Yuri Alemao, ask your question.
या सो एक मिनिट बोल रे
अरे माझ्या फ्रेंडाक बस म्हणून सांगू नका. हांव बसना तू म्हाका सांगू शकना.
Sit down.
अरे उठ
कितें उठू
नाका उकलून हाडटा हांगा.
Because sir, very specific. Today, the question I was being very specific, ki the fee structure today is outrageous. 16.5 lakhs for a single hearing, 7.5 lakhs for another hearing, crores of rupees for a state today that is struggling with finances. आज Western असो निर्माण जाता जो AG आहा तो puppet. AG is not competent. Is he deliberately sidelined? 1 minute.
Please let him ask the question.
Point of order,
Ask the
Speaker,
question.
sir. He
Can
is
you
asking
please sit
3
down?
questions. Are you allowing 3 supplementaries? Ask him to ask 1 question and answer it.
So this is only, I am coming to the point. No? Speaker sir, आज ज्यांना returned High Court petitions on TCP under evaluation show how these particular people are forced to go to court, and the finance department was forced to get a circular and intervene. आज Speaker sir, why does the TCP department spend in crores of rupees on private lawyers, on advocate generals, when the office exists to defend the state? Does this not amount to sidelining the AG, or is the AG not capable? The honorable, see, you spoke a lot about Congress. Congressaचो मरे tallest leader प्रताप
अरे
सिंग राणे अजून काँग्रेसीन आहा
काँग्रेसाचे हात पाय
काँग्रेसीन
दाखवतात.
अजून प्रताप सिंग राणे आसा
अरे माझो बापायचे उलोव नका. तुझो
अरे
बापूय मंत्री
तो
आशिल्लो.
काँग्रेसीचो
सुशेगाद राव.
leader. पयलो
अरे सोड.
तू पण म्हाका सांगता काँग्रेसीचे उलयत त्यांनी काँग्रेसीच्या
leader of
वेळार
opposition.
मुखेलमंत्रीन बुक रिलीज केला तेजे जे काँग्रेसाचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन
अरे ते
आणि
book
leader of opposition.
book release करपाक.
काँग्रेसान अजून आहा तू बडे
Honorable leader of
हांव अशें
opposition.
तशें धांवना. तुमचे बी अशें तशेंच जाल्या.
Are we here to discuss about the political parties? Are we
Correct.
here
He
to discuss about
has
the
pointed fingers at
one
him.
second. Role of the other chief ministers and all? Then I am entitled to speak and defend.
Please speak.
I defend and I speak, then it will be very damaging for all of those who speak like this. I think if they are not interested in taking
तो
up this
तुझे
question,
रोल विधान, तू
move to the
तुझा
next
रोल
question.
Please ask
What
your,
is it?
finish
Half
your
an hour
question.
has passed.
Speaker sir, see.
Speaker sir, first
Please sit down,
time
Venzi Vegas.
No, but what are we
He's
talking
asking
about?
the question, let him
Question
finish the
answer
question.
kun aso time so कितले जालतो.
I have asked.
And we are talking all over.
He has spoken about what the Congress has.
Please ask your question.
Speaker sir, first of all, फाल्याचो this opinion poll or this जरी जर काँग्रेसान दिवं ना जाल्यार आमी हिंगा आसपा न्हू. हुंय आहले दाणगीन सरपंच पंच बी मुखेलमंत्री आसपा न्हू. हे काँग्रेसान कितें केलें तें सांगचें न्हू. खास करून जे पड गेले ते पुजा म्हळें थोड्यांनी भितर पेंटा भितर गेले ते पासून काँग्रेस दिसता गेले अजून म्हणटा इतले जा केला
Ask your question.
आणि हे उलयता आज
Ask your question.
why is the TCP department spending crores on private lawyers when the Advocate General already exists?
Is this a question? I would like to share with the honourable member that there are several cases going on of complex nature in the court, High Court, Supreme Court. As a result, I would also like to draw his attention in the last 5 years, when he talks about the finances of the state. This department has raised in the last 5 years more than 710 crores of rupees for the state exchequer. Amount of money spent on the court cases is less than 1.5% of the revenue that is earned by this department for the state. Many times there are complex issues. We have lawyers like Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India, who advises us and who advises us on the panel of lawyers that we have to take to defend the matters of the state of complex nature. So I would like to also draw his attention that when their party was in power also, several lawyers used to be taken Here I talk with justification of the amount of money that is raised for the state. State government, town and country planning department is one of the only department that has raised the highest number of money and revenue for the state of nearly 700 and odd crores, of which 1.25% has been spent on court cases. This is the answer that I would like to give him. When he talks to the state finances and state finance, we have also raised finances. And it is not only about the people, it is about a particular institution that shut down mining in the state, and these people are taking it and flaunting it and flogging that horse continuously for their political gains.
Because sir, Mantri answer dusro dila.
Are you-
Answer I asked very specifically. Is the AG incompetent? AG ko zain halle. AG ko appoint now. AG is defending several cases.
आमचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया आणि जेन्ना प्रोसिजर ताका खबर आसूंक जाय की आमी एजीचे थ्रूच आमी सिलेक्ट करता, आमी वचूंक शकना, तेजे परमिशन घेवन लॉ डिपार्टमेंट कडे येता, तेजे उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री कडे वयता, तेजे उपरांत आमी आमचे पॅनल ऑफ लॉयर्स सिलेक्ट करता. आणि त्याच बरोबर जेन्ना तो म्हणटा की स्टेटाचे फायनान्सीस ह्याच डिपार्टमेंटान सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट पेक्षा चड 750 कोटी सुमार रुपया आमी आयज रेज केल्ले आसा गेल्या 5 वर्सांत, आणि तेजे भायर 1.25% खर्च जाल्लो आसा. तुम्ही जर समज 100 कोटी रुपया जर जाल्ले आणि आम्ही एक 9-10 कोटी रुपया त्यांनी जे विचारलेले 9.292 crores, तर हांव समजू शकता. पण हांगा 750 कोटी आम्ही रेव्हेन्यू आयज स्टेटाक आम्ही आयज जनरेट केल्ले आसा.
Because रेव्हेन्यू जो जनरेट केला मान्य मंत्री.
आणि आम्ही तुषार मेहताचे सॉलिसिटर जनरल आहात, त्यांची ऍडवाइस घेता जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टाक मॅटर पावता. हेच लोक जे कोर्ट हांगा घालता, जोपर्यंत ते फायनल इन फायनॅलिटी जायना सुप्रीम कोर्टान, तेन्ना आमी तेजे निर्णय हा म्हणून आमी म्हणूंक शकना. आमी टेम्पल ऑफ जस्टीस म्हणटा आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टात, तेन्ना तो विषय तेन्ना तो पावता, तेन्ना आमकां हे विषय घुसपोवन फायनान्सीयल स्टेट हेका कळना ते कितें विचारपाक जाय, तेका उत्पन्न कितले जाला ते तरी वाचत.
Because very specific. ये लोकांक TCP डिपार्टमेंट फोर्स कोता. Example, TCP डिपार्टमेंट एक अंडर इव्हॅल्युएशन झाले. People went, there was court direction. That is when you all revised it. And that you say that 700 crores.
I am very grateful to the honorable
Before
chief
so much
minister.
income was not coming.
Speaker sir,
There
I
was
am
no
very
income
grateful to
coming.
the honorable chief minister. केन्ना तेका दिसता की बाबा जाय ते ह्यो गोष्टी घडटा आणि आयज डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या तरेन जाता. तेणी ते स्टेटाचे इंटरेस्टान त्यांनी ते रेट्स वाडयले. ते रेट्स वाडयले म्हणून आमकां आयज ह्या तरेचे उत्पन्न आमकां गावला, जे आयज पर्यंत खंयच्याच TCP डिपार्टमेंटाक ते उत्पन्न गावंक ना. And हे सगळे
But they were under-evaluated.
राव रे,
You were forced to do it.
I have to address you, I should address him.
Because
Let him-
he was.
I will address
Let
you.
him finish talking.
After long you're sitting on the speaker's chair, deputy speaker, so at least let me address you. You're allowing him to just go on talking. I am saying that they're flogging a horse that is already about to die, that floss has no meaning, that shut down mining in the state of Goa. That's why the state is going under tremendous stress of financial pressure. And these people want no development in the state of Goa. If they don't want development in the state of Goa, they should come with a charter of demand that gives a solution on how the state should progress.
We have already.
And
given
also
a charter
second
of
thing,
demand.
just because he's a leader of opposition, he doesn't have solutions to the problem. He's asking me a question, I'm answering him.
Are you
And I
not
never
answer-
said anything about him.
I'm
I'm
not-
talking to you, Honorable Speaker, is that when a department is raising so much money, and there is an issue of complex nature, then you take the best of legal minds that are there in the country to deal with that issue, so that interpretation of the law and making us understand how to move forward is important to have the best lawyers in the country and not listen to him by what he's saying. When he forms a government, that is way God knows where he may
Because, sir,
be
let us talk about today.
that's when the Congress will be, because his
Because
leaders
sir,
are also ready to sit
let
in the
me be very
opposition.
honest. पहिले सध्या मायनिंग बंद केले कोणी बंद केले?
अरे तुम्हीच बंद केलं
Manoj
mining.
Parrikar is on record saying he shut down mining.
अरे तो कितें म्हणो, तुम्ही बंद केलं
ओ
mining.
मंत्री आल्लो, ओ मंत्री सगळे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आल्लो. मायनिंग बंद कोण केले? कित्याक उलयता? एक हरजोत एक कोडे, हरजो एक दुसरे कोडे. कितें चल्ला स्पीकर सर? आन्सर ना काय ना.
Because sir, आता अर्धो what's question?
फुडें वचूया. Start question number 1. Start
अरे
question
तू
number 1.
आमकाच यो यावटेन.
तो असना बिनाका.
अरे तो वचना काय तू येता ते तिगूय
Start
हाडटा.
question number 1.
काय बिनाका तू आमगे जा.
अरे आमगेर सोड, कोण खंय वचना.
Question number 1.
1B. आणि तो पड आता तोच ना हो पयली येतलो आमगे जाल म्हणटी साठ.
हे आता speaker sir, I am addressing you. This is that 1B. And if you expect me to know this by heart, I cannot know this by
You've
heart.
been health minister
I have
for
one sec.
15 years.
I may be health minister for donkeys years, that doesn't matter, but this is the type of questions, 15 questions in one. Legislation should not allow this or ask us to place it or make it unstand and we'll give them all the
15
information.
questions.
How do I understand this? Let them ask. To my wisdom,
I'll ask,
whatever
please.
time I've been there, I will ask, but
Baba,
this is, what is this?
We have to do more
Is this
questions
not
also
voluminous
after
or what
one,
do I say?
please.
Every figure I'm supposed to know? And look at this type of question. How does legislature allow this?
Speaker sir, let me ask. Speaker sir, first of all, this is very important. Itle yahan because this is relating to the health ministry. It is relating to GMC and the district hospitals. Let me speak. Mache Tondai Naik. Bisti hen zai naka mache. Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. COVID-acha velar, there were a lot of things got exposed. Unpreparedness, people died due to oxygen, other medical facilities. Anik, jenna lack of facilities actually, a lot of people died. Hundreds of deaths today due to road accidents, inadequate infrastructure. Anik, Sarkar, or Kumkaran Koso Agoha, especially in this thing. Speaker sir, I've been raising these health issues for the last 4 years. So that these issues are discussed, people get the benefit. Ada, South Goa District Hospital, jenna o issue hai tya velar tinga 193 post aaj vacant asa. Anik jaun senior surgeons, anesthetists, 39 staff nurses, X-ray technicians, 73 MTS. And as per, you have got the public health standard volume. As per these volumes, whatever, आमी तू प्रश्न इंसान है आमी परीक्षा लक्ष्य गाने थे हमको डे यहाँ से Speaker sir, आज under Annexure 10, you have given list of essential equipment, especially for South Goa district, Anik district hospital. Anik in this reply, your reply is not satisfactory. Speaker sir, आज radiology department and as per the rules of this act, साधारण तिंगा cardiologist na, nephrologist na, urologist na, आज district hospital and OPD and acute shortage of medicines. Local purchase bills are not paid for last 8 to 9 months. Vendors are not giving medicines to the hospital. Salaries of staff, I've got all the lists, I'll give you the names. 3 months they have not been paid. Trauma care unit start zatle mun sanglole not started. Critical block unit jepot sanglole kotlemo not started. Only 2 ambulances in South Goa District Hospital today. MRI machine, it is a basic necessity. 4 orsa almost hame uloita on this MRI machine. 4 orsa. People today are suffering. Neurosurgery, it's not there. Speaker sir, Ada Mugello first supplementary. Speaker sir, my first supplementary is why step motherly treatment to South Goa? Will the government fix responsibility? It is enough. Enough is enough. Last 1.5 years, I had also asked about the proposal sent. It is shocking. In Annexure B, the proposals that are being sent to the Finance Department, they are pending. Will you fix this responsibility? When will South Goa District Hospital? I congratulated you first time as an MLA when you announced for the CAT lab. The CAT lab kainch na. Mode mudug lale CAT lab oir Teresa chi aten. Speaker sir, today people are dying. South Goa District Hospital was a Congress project. Today that was done by the Congress. He was the health minister. Maybe people have changed and gone to the other side. But that was done for people to get justice. When Magelo Puilo, first supplementary. When will you fix the problem of South Goa District Hospital? Committee ata, Dotra ata. Nothing has happened. Absolutely nothing. Will you fix this? Please tell us. This is my first supplementary.
Speaker sir, it's very easy to be in the opposition because you have to raise issues, we are going into an election year and say it's not very easy to run an institution like this. And I'm not saying that we have not done anything. As far as the South Goa District Hospital, he has asked me first about the South Goa District Hospital. I've discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister also on multiple occasions, is that we are looking for doctors. As far as the OPD is concerned, once a week there's an OPD of cardiology that is being run in the South Goa District Hospital. In addition to that, we are running a very successful setup in the Goa Medical College, and we are trying to see that we get the best of specialists and doctors from time to time. Yesterday, you must have seen the tweet. We got another 3 doctors to work in the cancer department. What I'm trying to say is that what he said, we have, in the last 2 months, we have increased the bed strength by another 150. I think Honorable Leader Vijay Sardesai had brought it to my notice, Honorable Chief Minister had brought it to my notice, is that patients were being put on stretchers and all this. So we gave directions that not a single patient will be on stretchers. 150 beds were increased. More than any kind of teaching institute there, it is the facilities that we provide. to the
Today,
people.
yesterday night also there is a
Either
patient.
you allow me to answer or you sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. You only answer.
No, you are.
No, I can't answer.
Today as well,
You're-
people are there on
If he is
stretchers.
going to continue to disturb my thoughts, I will not be able to answer his question, and then you can move to the next question, because all I want my department only. If this question is of value to him, then he has to also understand that he has to join Nure, tu ano teja. And main म्हणजे कितें speaker sir, the basic thing is it is not in my hands, it is not in my only hands whether we want to do a cardiac setup. We have had a detailed discussion with Dr. Guru Prasad Naik and the whole team there whether we can have a unit 2 posted in the South Goa District Hospital. They said no, we cannot have a unit 2, you need to create a new unit in South Goa District Hospital.
proposed a cath lab, no?
He question तुम्ही जर वाचल्यार, then he is asked right from the procurement onwards to what you have done in 5 years. It's not a 1-year question, or it's not my last commitment that is made in the assembly. It is a huge question and which our department has given and uploaded. Actually, Secretary Legislature asked me whether I'm postponing. I said, no, we are uploading it and withdraw my letter. Let it all go. Most important, Speaker sir, as far as this South Goa District Hospital, I on record am in this house. Chief Minister also in his presence, I have said that we will commission it fully. What we require there is neurology, neurosurgery, and we require orthopedics, which is most important. Intervention, because there are people who come from Kankon, and he come from Kankon, then they come to the South Goa District Hospital, and from there they come to Goa Medical College. We are aware of that. Actually, I have got all the statistics of the referrals that are being doing. These are all accident cases and all where the referrals are being doing, which should be actually handled there. We are in the process of seeing that we are able to comprehensive proposals of Mr. Nilesh Kabral's constituency, and then we are doing of South Goa District Hospital, then Subhash Valdesai's Sangye Hospital, which is newly being built, and also further assessment of the Goa Medical College on how we can take it further. South Goa District Hospital requires these 2 specialities immediately. And also MRI proposal order has been already sent. Finance is in the proposal of placing that order. And Honorable Chief Minister,
When
kind
you
enough-
said this 2 years ago.
Speaker sir, it doesn't work like that. In Goa
Speaker
Medical
sir,
College,
okay, I'll
Speaker
just
sir,
ask you. I'll just ask you, Speaker sir.
I just want to
MRI
mention
machine is a
to him.
basic
Honorable
tool
member.
required there. When there are stroke patients, it is necessary so that an MRI is seen.
Speaker
Speaker
sir,
sir, okay, Mantri Mashe Bose, I'll tell you 1 minute. Now, Speaker sir, Annexure F, which is available in what you have said, ki urology opinion जाय जाल्यार GMC, neurology opinion जाय जाल्यार GMC, orthopedic department ना, CKD, जे chronic kidney disease, हे जाता renal failure department takes the view sends to GMC. STEMI patients are thrombolized and sent to GMC. आता North Goa district थिंगाय सारखे CT scan ना, हे तुमकाय पडटा, Honorable Speaker. There is no CT scan machine. In Ponda it's worse. 4 मंत्री आशिल्ले. एकलो आमचो बाब रवी बाब नायक ना. एकला मुट्टूंक दिवयलो. आता सुदीन बाब सोमिन्यान कित कोतो ते सांगो जायना. पण तेजा हुणे म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही आज लक्ष घालपाक जाय. हे CT scan machine थिंगाय ना. If you look at the referrals, I'll just give the Honorable Minister a look. North Goa has the highest referrals, MAPSA, 7,326 in 2024. Anik, if you look at the total referrals, what was 9,400 in 21, is shot to 15,000. 15,000. Speaker sir, Ponda is the highest, 834. That was in 2021 is gone to 3,200 in 2025. म्हणजे जे रिफरल 2021 9,500 आशिल्ले आज 15,000 लोक GMC रिफर जाता. आज स्पीकर सर आता इवन म्हापसा असिलो हॉस्पिटल, why this step motherly treatment? आज स्पीकर सर, if you look at major issues that are in GMC, all load येता आणि सगळे GMC दोतराचे मागीर दोतरा त्रास जाता. We have the highest respect for the doctors. Speaker sir, cancer patient जे पड आहा, this is a fact now what I'm pointing out. In GMC, cancer therapies up to 15% are sent to other private hospitals. 15%, either within the state or outside. Why is the reason? because there is no intensivist. One doctor intensivist is not there. Speaker sir, ICU bed available now. There is so many patients coming there. People have to be taken out of the ICU. Anta intensivist Goa Medical College in now. How currently there is only, you have an anesthetist.
Speaker, sir, point of order. The figure that he mentioned of 7,000 from South Goa District Hospital, I just want him
No,
to...
I said not South Goa
Is-
District
is
Hospital.
wrong.
Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. I've got all the figures.
You should be very specific so I can actually give a specific
The
answer.
total figures of South Goa was 4582. I'm talking about 14,890 are the total referrals. Total. Speaker sir, Anna, जो intensivist असता, he is the head. आता currently anesthetist under थिंगा procedure जाते. Cancer treatment लोका त्रास जाता थिंगा. Because this is basically जे liver cirrhosis जाता. लोकांक कितले liver part जाता. Speaker sir, आज they are forced to go to private hospitals. Expenses are incurred by over 35 lakhs. इतलो खर्च जाता. KLE, Mumbai, Hyderabad, enga लोकांक वचपाक पडटा. Speaker sir, all this can be prevented by just getting one intensivist. Today, Goa Medical College, जरी तो थी casualty थोईल जाल्यार, you know the load. Every 7 minutes, one ambulance comes. Every 7 minutes. Speaker sir, casualty is overcrowded. Patient time, which is normally 3 to 6 hours, रावपा पडटा. मागीर सगळे आमदारा फोन येताय, आपणा casualty भितर गेल ना. ते दोतोर कित कोतले? 3-3, 6-6 hours थिंगा रावताय. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता हे कॅन्सर पेशंटाच्या लागून we need to make sure in GMC also, I'm talking specifically in GMC, then I'll put a pointed question. There are two types of diagnosis, advanced treatment and advanced diagnostic. आता हे PET scan machine, हे हाडपाक जाय म्हणून गेलते वर्सा हेन सांगिल्ले आपूण तेको सायन्सा मंत्री को उलयता मुखेलमंत्री कडेन. हे PET scan is a basic tool to detect cancer. You all don't even have that. 1.5 years I've been screaming at the top of my voice. I'm not screaming because of anything, because that is required. You can diagnose, especially because of that, advanced technology asa. You all are using the cobalt technology for radiology, for basically treating radiotherapy. Aaj, linear accelerator machines for targeted thing like LINAC, this is not there with you. So basically cancer patients, you know best, there is no one better who knows about cancer. But today, Speaker sir, when we see these things, intensivist is not there. And all the pressure comes on one person. Jenna OT hota hai, patient da bahar kadai. These are common issues. 20% of the cases are postponed in GMC. Aaj zatole, fal zatole, and they are kept nil by mouth early in the morning till afternoon. Aaj jatle operation ho na. This is the status today in GMC, Speaker sir. Super specialty to robotic surgery ko tu sangile. Ki zale robotic surgery che. Aaj I'll give you a very specific question. Ki despite the assurance on the floor of the house, you have failed to get the PET scan. Will you minimize this load that is coming on GMC? What is the, don't tell me that in 1990s what was GMC, that is what you answer normally. What will you do to improvise the situation now currently? Because all referrals are coming there.
How many questions? 3, 4, 5, 6. One I have to answer.
Will you improvise the situation? This is a fact, whatever I
just
said.
want to know, he has spoken for last 10 minutes. Now I didn't understand it. I understood the matter. What is the question? I want
Because,
to know one line, what is the question? Because I am not as literate as him, but I need in one line,
Because,
what is the question? Then I will answer.
When
Till
there
then I
is
am not
so
answering
much
because
load
I will
on GMC, what will you
I
do to
want
minimize?
one. Are you asking him to ask 10 questions? One question you ask,
अरे
I'll
गुना का
answer.
हम काय जाए दूसरे question
Arey, one question, Speaker sir.
Ask
One
your question.
question, let him answer.
Ask your question.
He is a pilot. You should know. One question you ask me, I'll answer.
अरे GMC लोग मौत तो उंडे
What is
जातो
the
नो
question?
ओ वाटतले
What is the
लोग
question?
लोग
Question किदें? हे इलेक्शनाची रॅली नो. हे विधानसभा question विचार. हा उत्तर दिता. I don't know now. You are not asking him to ask a question, I am not answering anything.
Ask your question.
अरे स्पीकर से आंसर दिल ना देणे
अरे मग क्वेश्चनच कळना कितें तें.
हे कितें speaker
क्वेश्चन
sir?
कितें हांव
अरे
तेंच
speaker sir,
विचारता.
this is
ताका
making fun
कसलो
of this
उत्तर जाय?
house.
आयज पॅट स्कॅन हाडूंक जाय काय हांवें ते हे ऑपरेशन न जाता ते टायम कमी करूंक जाय इंटरव्हेन्शन आसूं जाय कितें क्वेश्चन कितें
No, what will you do? These are the current issues with cancer.
You ask me to ask me a specific question. This cannot go on like this.
Speaker sir, मंत्रीक टाइम गेलो जाय हो आन्सर दिना. तू आन्सर दिना फकत गोल गोल घुमयता हे कितें फुडें म्हणजे बरें दुसरें विचार क्वेश्चन दुसरें विचार
Viresh Varkar.
स्पीकर सर
Viresh Varkar.
काय दिलं आन्सर
स्पीकर सर आन्सर तरी युरी काय मेळोंक ना आतां म्हाका मेळटलो काय ना तें आमकां खबर ना पण हांव विचारता आतां स्पेसिफिकली हांगा अशें उत्तर आमकां अशें मेळलें की नो शॉर्टफॉल इन हेल्थ कॅर सेक्टर आतां हो जो उत्तर डिपार्टमेंट दिता आमी एवरी टायम पळयता की आमच्या म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान जीएमसी येता आतां जीएमसीची कॅज्युलिटी फूल आसता स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता की आयसीयू बेड ना कमी आसा एवरी टायम आयसीयू ना म्हणून भायर रावचें पडटा व्हेंटिलेटर ना सारके तुमी पळयता की जेन्ना ल्हान भुरगे जाले जल्माक येयले नाल्यार तांकां जो व्हेंटिलेटर सिस्टम आसपाक जाय तो आसना ताका लागून तांकां प्रायवेटान रेफर करता दुसरें जेन्ना ऑपरेशन्स पळयता स म्हयने ऑपरेशनाक डिले आसा 6 म्हयने उत्तर हे मिनिस्टराचें आसा की हेल्थ कॅर सेक्टरान कांयच म्हटल्यार कांयच ना म्हणटा म्हणजे सगळें बरें चल्लां आतां स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता खूब जाणांक बेडां मेळना सायडीक बसयता जमनीर न्हिदयता हेंय चालू आसा
प्रश्न
इतले स्पीकर सर ना MRI स्कॅन करपाक जाय CT स्कॅन करपाक जाय तांकां डिले जाता तांकां टायमींग जाता फुडें फुडें दुखलिता डायलिसीस पेशंटांक डिले जाता आतां हें सगळें जालें एक हो मिनिस्टर सांगता की तरी पूण म्हणटा की सगळें सिस्टम सारको आसा आमचो शॉर्टफॉल कांयच ना म्हणटा आतां एक आमचो म्हाजो सारको पॉयंटेड क्वेश्चन की इतले सगळें जे करता ते कित्याक लागून करता लोकांची सेवा करपाक जो पब्लीक सेक्टर जो आसा आमचो पब्लीक हेल्थ कॅर आसा हितून लोकांक सर्वीस मेळपाक लागून करता तेन्ना लोकांक हें ना म्हणून आतां सावथाचे जेन्ना हें पळयताले आमी हो वाडत आसा 2021 3717 जालो सावथाच्यान जीएमसीन आता 2022 3885 जालो 2023 4442 जालो 2024 4739 जालो 2025 4582 जालो म्हटल्यार एवरी इयर हेजो इन्क्लायन जाता वाडत आसा आतां म्हाका स्पेसिफीक मिनिस्टराक विचारपाचें आसा की इतले जेन्ना शॉर्टफॉल आसा तुमचो उत्तर एक आसा की आमचे कांयच हेल्थ कॅर सेक्टरान शॉर्टफॉल ना तुमी मानून घेवपाक आमचो शॉर्टफॉल आसा आनी तो शॉर्टफॉलाक लागून आमी काम करतले पण ते कांयच दिसून येना सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा की आयज हे प्रायवेट सेक्टरान धाडटा आयज कितलेशे प्रायवेट पयशे ना आयज लोकांक त्रास जाता लोक आयज तकली उडयल्ली आसा कोणाक 15,000 सॅलरी आसता तरी पूण ताका प्रायवेटान 3-3 लाख भरचे पडटा 5 लाख भरचे पडटा 10 लाख भरचे पडटा कोणा कडेन मिनिस्टरा कडेन बाकीच्या कडेन पयशे आसत पयशे पण ह्या बाबडे गरीब लोकांचे मातशे तरी चिता सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा मिनिस्टरा की हो जो शॉर्टफॉल तुमच्या आतां ह्या एलिफ्यूनूय येता कितले रेफरल हांगा येयल्ले आसा सो इतलो शॉर्टफॉल आमकां दिसता आनी आख्खे गोंयची जनता पळयता की शॉर्टफॉल आसा सो मिनिस्टरान सांगचें की हो शॉर्टफॉल केन्ना पर्यंत ते क्लियर करतले आनी हे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज SSBन जावं सावथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसा आजुले आसा GMC आसा हांगा फॅसिलिटीज केन्ना पर्यंत मेळटल्यो आनी एक तो जो युनिट आसा तो केन्ना स्टार्ट करतलो
ऑनरेबल मेंबरान जे सांगला जेन्ना ऑनरेबल मेंबर म्हाजे कडेन आयलो जेन्ना डॉक्टर बांदेकर डीन आशिल्लो तिजे मांडूर फॅसिलिटी बी इम्प्रूव करपाची आशिल्ली आनी ताका सांगलें MLA बरोबर घेवन ते फंक्शन आसूं काय कितें एम्ब्युलन्स आसूं प्रत्येक गोश्ट आयज ताका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कर म्हणून हांवें सांगलें हांव उलयतां
4 वर्सां जाली लेबर रूम जो स्टार्ट करपाक
हांव उलयतां तेन्ना उलोव
अजून सांगना
म्हाका प्रॉब्लम ना 12:30 जातले जातलो विशय मेन म्हणजे कितें स्पीकर सर आय हॅव नेवर सेड एट एनी गिवन पॉयंट ऑफ टायम दॅट एवरीथींग इज 100% परफेक्ट देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दॅट हॅव टू बी कोप्ड अप विथ आता तुम्ही जे सांगले की काही लोक असा परिस्थिती आयज जेन्ना ICU बेड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन सँक्शन करून GSIDCंतल्यान आमी ते इनॉग्रेट आता म्हाका दिसता ह्याच दिसान केल्यार बरें आता मकर संक्रांत बी चालू जाल्ली बरो दिसा करता आमी बेगीन
गोड मकर संक्रांती चालू आसा गोड बोलून हे लोकांक लेबर रूमाचे आसा ना तांणी उल्लेख केलो की जो मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटर आमी एकूच डिमांड एक आमचो सिंपल आसलो लेबर रूम जो आसा तो ऑपरेशनल करता तो लोड मातसो शिफ्ट जातलो 4 वर्सां जाली अजून जायना सो तो आमकां सांगता की मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटराचे लेबर मातशें विचारचें लेबर रूम केन्ना जातलो हो तरी विचारचें तितले तरी इल्लेशें काम जाता
ना तुम्ही विचारले दोन प्रश्न विचारले दोन
पहिले
प्रश्नाचं
नाव
उत्तर
बोला.
दिता हांव. तुम्ही विचारले की NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून आम्ही NICU नवो GSIDCंतल्यान आता कमिशन आता करपाचें आसा कारण ते बेड्स जे फूल जाता त्या भुरग्याक आमी हालू शकना केन्ना केन्ना तो भुरगो जो एडमिट जंय जाता अरे एक मिनिट साहेब हांव उलोवन तरी दी तुझो विषय 2 मिनटान जावचो ना रे ते मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की हे बेडां आयज 30 बेड हाचे NICU आयज आमी कमिशन करता इनॉग्रेशनाचे सोडून ताबडतोब कमिशन कर म्हणून आमी सांगला म्हणजे ते भुरगे जे आसा डॉक्टर मागीर ते भुरगे वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हाका कळटा की जेन्ना ते हेल्थवेन काय मणिपालान वयता तांकां त्रास जाता ते पयशे भरपाक जायना मागीर तेजे उपरांत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान परत हाडपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता बेड तयार करपाक ICU जितके बेड आसता आयज बी तुमी गेल्यार ते बेडां 100% फूल असतात ते वाडोवपाची परिस्थिती आहे इवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं काय SSBन आयज तुम्ही पळयला तुम्ही स्वतः वयता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान SSBन आयज नवे प्रकारचे अँड लेटेस्ट आमी हाडलेले आता कोणी सांगले रोबोटिक हाडूंक ना रोबोटिकूच आयज न्यूरो सर्जरी बी सगळे रोबोटिकच्या माध्यमांतल्यान चलता तुम्ही जे सांगल्या हांवें म्हणूंक ना हांवें म्हणूंक ना हांव आयक
म्हाका फक्त जाय की केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें
Let him speak. I'll sit down. Main is that every aspect is being looked at. Honorable Speaker, you represent the North Goa and MAPSA. You know the difficulties that we have there and the things that have to be done. To get the doctors, to get intervention, it's easy to make a speech, but I have to get them, make them available. And after making them available, they come from private sector, but their expectation also in terms of salaries is much higher than the existing doctor that is on a regular basis. So there is an imbalance. And order because of that imbalance, they don't stay for a long period. And it is important for us to allow, if the House is in agreement, to open up the system so that doctors from peripheral areas and peripheral states, we should be able to recruit them in the state of Goa on contract basis. I have no problem. We need doctors. We are running short of doctors. Nurses are there. Every other aspect can be taken care of by the state of Goa. But where specialist doctors are concerned, we need to get them. We have got now Amit Maideo. Honorable CM is helping me do the
Speaker sir.
Ram Achwa,
Speaker sir, question. Time cover होता.
Time cover बोलू नका.
एक मिनिट थांबा.
विरोधी पक्ष उलयताय.
केन्नापर्यंत जातले? Speaker sir.
I sit down. My time is up. I cannot answer any more questions.
क्वेश्चन की आणि फिरेश बोरकारान शॉर्टफॉल असा म्हणून सांगले त्याने आन्सर दिता रिप्लाय शॉर्टफॉल असा म्हणता मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगता
एक प्रासाच्याक लोड वाडटा.
एक तेच हांव सांगता
लोड वाडता.
अरे बाबा ऐक खबर आहे शॉर्टफॉल असा
उत्तराचेर वचू नका. लोड तुका खबर आहा.
तिथून म्हणता तुम्ही शॉर्टफॉल शॉर्टफॉल आता मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगला तिथून क्लिअर कट कळटा.
विजय सरदेसाई विजय सरदेसाई
स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर
Wednesday
शॉर्टफॉल हेल्थ केअर ना म्हणून जे सांगले मंत्र्यान जे इलेक्शन एफन
The banner that he carried, Honorable Member Wenzi Vegas carried, 52 crores wasted in Tueng Hospital. Where is it justified?
It is justified.
Where is it justified? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? He doesn't have a CAG para.
आता
Nowhere is
विचारू काय नका
He's
अरे बाबा चितालो question
Justification.
No, there has to be a justification. There has to be a justification when a responsible member of the house is carrying a placard in the house.
Because they are
And it is not built by the health department and he cannot make allegations to any department. In this floor of the house, not having a
Wednesday
CAG for
Vegas
a backup.
Wednesday Vegas sit down sit
Because
down
the minister has agreed that is
I have not agreed. I need a justification of his statement.
Listen.
Vegas.
One minute. Speaker sir, the referrals to GMC in 2021 was 4,900. In 2025, it has become 8,100. So there is a 63% rise. And what has happened? All these district hospitals are mere referral centers. The whole world knows it. Speaker sir, will the minister give me an answer? Who is responsible for the delay in all these facilities which were supposed to come to South Goa District Hospital? And how many stroke, head injury, cancer patients, whatever, were forced to travel to Bamboli because the machine was never installed? Yeah, who is responsible?
Because
Simple question.
Speaker sir, the treatment protocol for strokes, apart from STEMI, which I was the one who started in the state of Goa,
No, no, Goa आणि
one sec.
South District
One
Hospital.
sec. I will
How
come to
specific?
South Goa District Hospital. आयज लोक मरता म्हणून एक मिसकन्सेप्शन लोकांक मिसगायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करू नाकात.
अरे, reference इतले वाट जाय.
29 एक मिनिट म्हाका उत्तर
Reference
दी.
इतले वाट जाय, लोक मारना म्हणटा.
म्हाका
Question hour is over.
सांगू नाका, म्हाका उलोव न्ही. तूं उलयता जाल्यार कितें आतां तो उलयता
मरता, लोक मरता.
आनी जे विरोधी पार्टी सांगता तेच आयकपाचें.
Question hour सोंपलेलो. Zero hour mention. Cruz Silva. Question hour सोंपलो. Cruz.
Because fear and anxiety in the minds of residents of
Cruz Silva.
zero hour आमगे zero hour. Huh? Answer करा.
I have already called zero hour mention. तुम्ही विषय घेयात मागीर. Zero hour mention. Cruz Silva.
ठीक आहे सर. Fear and anxiety.
Cruz Silva.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of residents of various villages in Goa, as well as urban areas, as public notice was published on 5th January that a survey of houses within the notified villages that includes the fishing village of Ambeli in Veli constituency will commence on 6 January 2026. The program Naksha, which stands for National Geospatial Knowledge-Based Land Survey Urban Habitation, has been surprisingly been carried out in rural areas. Also, the date of commencement of surveys provide little or no time to the house owners who are away and abroad to be present at the site as required under this survey. This will result in untold hardship to lawful owners who will not be able to be present as no proper schedule is conveyed and sufficient time is not granted for them to make arrangement to attend the survey. Also, the fear that the predominantly areas like Ambeli has been marked as urban areas, which will result in future hardship for the residents. Government is requested to withdraw this notification and coordinate with the concerned central government agencies to revise and reschedule the survey by including applicable areas and give adequate time for prior notice. Speaker sir, मासे minister मासे clarify करपा जाले कि Ambeli village urban area किता गयली.
चेक करपाले.
Speaker sir,
ठीक आहे सर.
it is a
उलयत आन्सर कर.
Speaker sir, it is
अरे
a
बसा मरे उलयता.
It is a pan-India project initiated by Government of India under Naksha project, in which 3 urban areas of Goa are selected. Rules are already notified for the survey, and the entire survey will be done as per the notified rules. And objections will be heard.
Speaker sir, Ambeli
It is
village
already
as a
mentioned,
Kupoli
Cruz Silva.
municipality.
Let the survey take place here, after the objection of the same.
Honorable
Sir,
CM.
It is a part of 3 years.
Honorable
period
CM.
in this thing.
Because
Why
of-
is this thing here?
Cruz
Kupoli.
Silva.
Speaker sir,
Cruz Silva.
Kupoli municipality का Ambeli आणि त्याचं कित connection आहे rural area. तिका connection काहीच ना.
Kupoli conference is.
ना ना Ambeli किती गेली तिका?
Is there, no?
Cruz Silva.
Village Ambeli किती गेली?
Cruz
Okay, let
Silva.
me just check.
ती सर्वे नाका.
ते आमचे नाका सर्वे ते.
नाका सर्वे नाका.
करता हांव हेजेर उलोवपा जाय म्हाका 2 मिनिट.
No, since it is 3 urban areas actually.
Speaker sir,
No.
ये Ambeli village आहे, surrounding village is also called, no?
Ambeli village come under village.
Don't
under
take
village.
out.
Then let me just check on it.
No, no, Speaker sir.
I will have to check. I cannot give you an answer right now.
Honorable CM.
I will check and get back to you.
Speaker sir.
Honorable CM.
I will check and get back to you.
नोटीस किट म्हणतात घरापासून वचून मेजबा जाता
अरे मेसपाचे कितें आले
भितर पासून वचून मेजबा जाता
मागीर ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन सगळे आहा तेतून
स्पीकर सर ती सर्वे कार्ड आमकां नाका ती
स्पीकर सर
No cross talk.
स्पीकर सर ते आंदोलन करता तांकां 4 जाणांक हांवें आफयल्या आनी तांकां सांगलां की आंदोलन वगीच लोकांक त्रास करना अजुनूय बी आमी उलोवपाक तेंच्या कडेन ओपन आसा 4 जाणांक हांवें ऑलरेडी आफयल्या डांबर म्हाका दिसता ते कित्याक पळोवपाक चॅक करपाक लायला
Benji Vegas.
चॅक करूंक लायले चॅक करपाक लायला
मागीर लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन जातलें
जालें
आनी हांवें उलोवपाकूच आफयला म्हणटा
Benji Vegas.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of several Goans across Goa who has no road access to their houses, either for general purpose or for an emergency ambulance. Right to compulsory road access of 3 meters so that an ambulance or fire brigade can go in there, and the minimum the government must do to resolve this. Steps the government intends to take. Because sir, with things on तुगे constituency, CMA constituency बोगून वाट्यो नाही. लोकांगे मोरोन बी अशें करून बेडशीटां बी घाण हाडटाय लोकांक वाट नाही. सो रायट टू एक्सेस. सो दोन भाशेन कायदे, एक एनओसी आसल्यार डांबरा रस्तो, एनओसी नासतना पूण 3 मीटर वाट सोडपा म्हाका दिसता हेजी आमी डिस्कशन करपा जाय. कित्याक आजकाल सगळे मॅनिफेस्टोचे घाताय. झेडपी इलेक्शना देखून बीजेपी जितले झेडपी बसलाय ते मॅनिफेस्टोचे घायला की रोड एक्सेस तितले म्हणून कितकोन करतले ते खबर ना. बट हिंग म्हाका सदां सीएमान हेजे कितें पूण एक नोटीड कितें पूण सांगपा जाय. कित्याक मरना वाट ना लोकांक एमर्जन्सी वचपाक. सीएमान मातशें उप्पूर रावपाचें रिस्पेक्ट दिवपा ह्या टॉपिकाक. रावलो.
I have noted his apprehensions. And we'll try to see what can be done.
Yuri Alamo.
Can you ask to stop? Everyone is cross-talking.
Your seats. Sankalp Amandkar.
अरे ना रे तू सिटाचे बसपा केला गेले ना रे बोसो लायला तेणे बोसो लायला स्पीकर सर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री माझे ऐक स्पीकर सर the attention of the house is drawn to the issue of grave and escalating civic and environmental crisis due to the pollution in the Kunkolim industrial estate and its surrounding areas of untreated water released by fish mill plants in open areas. The ETP of the fish mill units are not working again, resulting in untreated discharge at various places to health and contamination of source of water. There is fear and anxiety due to approvals to additional fish mill plant outside the industrial area. Further, heaps of hazardous waste dumped at different locations in the industrial estate and the vicinity poses risk to life, safety and security, more particularly during monsoons as the hazardous materials contaminate nearby streams and water bodies. It was assured in the House that the hazardous waste would be removed by September 2025, but no action is taken. There is also additional fear that one MS Shirdi Steel Re-Rollers Private Limited company is encroaching the land of Sociedad in Kunkolim for its extension despite civil suit is pending before the court in regard to this lease and default payment. This said company is carrying out work illegally. Speaker sir, ये माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हांव सांगपाक सोदता. His sister is married in Kunkolim. He knows all the problems. थोडेशे तुझ्या आमदार ह्या दिसांनी चोड उसोटाय हिंगा हे फिश मिल हाडपाक हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता. I will be forced to name. These people are not allowed there because of one current fish mill is there. Illegally. तू केन्ना फॉर्मेलिनाच्या मोगान पडो? तू हे मरे अगेन्स्ट हाडलो. स्पीकर सर, येसल्यो इंडस्ट्रीज आमकां आमच्या कुंकोळी नाका. हे मुखेलमंत्री स्पश्ट दिलेले आसा. आनी एक थिंगा इंडस्ट्री हाडपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या सरकारान आहले मनीस करता. आय विल बी फोर्स टू एक्सपोज इट. चोड उसोणाकाय इतली दादागिरी हिंग चलपा ना. स्पीकर सर, ही दादागिरी आता मुखेलमंत्री हांव आफ्टर द असेंब्ली सेशन आय विल गेट द पीपल टू यू. कुंकोळ जोर जोर पेट्टोले न्हू, गोंय पेट्टोले. हे तू खबर आहा क्रांतिकार लोक. आय विल ब्रिंग ऑल ऑफ देम once and for all these polluted projects we do not want. and you all are getting additional fish meal.
स्पीकर सर, नोटेड त्यांनी कितें सांगलां तें लक्षांत घेतलां, हांव चॅक करता.
ना तूं हांव असेंब्ली हाडलें तें घेयना
कृष्णा
तूं
सालकर.
रिजॉल्व कर. ते हॅझर्डस वेस्ट तशें आहा, सगळे तशें आहा.
Speaker sir,
हुकुमशाही घाल. दादागिरी परस हुकुमशाही घाल. हुकुमशाही.
Speaker sir, I wish to draw.
हा चड जाल्या. तूं यो येशी, तू यो रोकडो यो मातशें. खात्या दिसा सारकें करया तें.
Speaker sir, I wish to draw to the attention of this house to the deep fear and anxiety that the IRB constables in Goa face due to prolonged career stagnation. Following the creation of common cadre by emerging the first, second and the third IRB battalions, many constables now face prospects of retiring in the same rank, which is highly demoralizing. Sir, these IRB constables are already working in the core Goa police units, police stations, traffic, coastal security, ATS, cyber crime, crime branch and security units. At the time when there is an acute shortage of police staff, trained IRB personnel are available and willing to work. The government had earlier allowed home guards to be absorbed in the Goa police, a progressive decision which has taken positive results. I urge the Honorable CM and Home Department to consider seriously merger or absorption of these eligible and willing IRB constables into the Goa police in the interest of justice, public safety and also boost to their morale. Honorable CM कडे request, हे IRB officials सगळ्याकडे म्हणजे सगळी कामां करतात. पोलीस स्टेशनार, ट्रॅफिक पोलिसान, कोस्टल सेक्युरिटी सगळ्याकडे करता. आणि तांकां आज जेन्ना गोंयान एक्यूट शॉर्टेज आसा जाल्यार हे ट्रेंड IRB ऑफिशियल्स आसा तांकां एब्झॉर्ब करपाक सीएमान एक निर्णय घेवचो, एक प्रोग्रेसीव तुमी घेतिल्ले आसा. हाजे पयलीं जे होमगार्ड आशिल्ले आसा नाल्यार IRB आसा तांकां घेतिल्ले आसा आनी ते विलिंग कोण आसा. सर विलिंगनेस घेतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दे कॅन बी एब्झॉर्ब. सो ताजेर एक निर्णय तुमी घेवचो आनी हे जे तांकां डिमोरलायझींग एक इफेक्ट आसा तो पॉझिटिव्ह करून तांकां कामाक लावचें अशें म्हाका ऑनरेबल सीएमाक रिक्वेस्ट करून दिसता.
स्पीकर सर, चॅक कर.
Shri Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, I want to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister specifically to the fear and anxiety prevailing among the members of the Sunni Jamia Masjid in Margam, as its executive body committee was allegedly fabricated using forged signatures and without any general body approval. False records were submitted to the district registrar, which amounts to fraud, illegal takeover and misuse of a public religious trust. I demand that strict action be taken against all the persons involved in this fraud. गेले खेपे अंजुमन म्हणते संस्थेचेर अशेंच हांवें पॉयंट आउट केल्लें. मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हाका सांगिल्लें एक्शन जातली, कांय एक्शन जालें ना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आतां मस्जिद टेक ओवर केल्या. सो हांव मागतां की एक फ्रेश डेमोक्रेटीक इलेक्शन जावचें अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट एंड एज पर लॉ. स्पीकर सर, अशी सगळ्यान व्हडली मस्जिद मडगांवची ती अशी टेक ओवर करूंक जाता अशें जावंक जायना. दिस इज क्रिएटिंग डिसयुनिटी अमंग द हें अशें दिसूंक जायना की बीजेपी मुसलमानां मदीं फूट हाडटा म्हणून. तें जावपाक जायना. हांव म्हणटा इलेक्शन घे, स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरविजनाचेर सरकाराच्या हातूंत इलेक्शन घे, इमिजिएट घे.
स्पीकर सर, हांव रजिस्ट्राराक पयलीं चॅक करपा लायता कितें मॅटर आहा तें, त्या नुसार ताका इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता, कायद्यान कितें आहा तें कर.
Shri Rodolphe Fernandez.
Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Chimel village due to the dilapidated condition of the service road for the main water supply pipeline running from Wadi Merces to Chimel. What steps will the government take to resolve the same? Speaker sir, कितें जाला न्हू, मेरसे वाडी सान चिमेल एक मेन पायपलायन येयलेली आहा आनी ताका एक सर्वीस रोड आहलो तो सारको डिलेपिडेटेड कंडिशनान आहा आनी ते पायपलायनीक काम करतलो जाल्यार थिंगा गाडी वचोंक पासून मेळना. ताका लागून हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन हें काम अर्जंटली घेवचें, कित्याक ते पळय सिमेंटाचे पळय कॉलम आहा ती पायपलायन सांबाळपाक ताका क्रॅक केलेले आनी ते केन्नाय मोडले जाल्यार उदीक म्हाका दिसता एटलिस्ट एक वीक तरी लोकांक उदीक घातचें ना. म्हाका ह्या मिनिस्टरान म्हाका हेजेर एश्युरन्स दी म्हाका सांगचें, कित्याक तो मेन सर्वीस रोड तो रिपेर जावंक जाय.
Shri Sankalp Amankar.
water connection is nature काढलं देणे.
Because sir, the attention of the house is drawn to the serious concern being raised by the people of Goa, particular residents of Murmagaon Taluka, regarding the sharp and unprecedented increase in the newly revised minimum land rates. The revised rates are excessive, unreasonable and unfair and are having a severe adverse impact on the common man. The new rates have been increased in the range of 597% to as high as 2,857% in various areas of Murmagaon Taluka. Such steep hike have placed land ownership far beyond the reach of ordinary citizens, making it extremely difficult for them to purchase land and simultaneously bear the substantial increased stamp duty and registration charges. Further, the revised rate have significant tax implication for both seller and buyer, thereby imposing an additional and heavy financial burden on all parties involved. In view of the above, the government may kindly take the step it proposed to take to review, rationalize or roll back this excessive increase in order to protect the interest of common men and ensure fairness and affordability in land transactions. Steps the government intend to take in this regard.
Shri Chandrakant Shetty.
Speaker, sir, the department is looking into it and the needful will be done soon.
Speaker, sir, fear, anger and resentment in the mind of the people as the escalating monkey menace plaguing Nanoda, Lathambarse, part of Sal and surrounding areas in Bicholim constituency as well as across the entire state of Goa. Monkeys pose a grave threat to the livelihood, lives and agriculture products of our rural farmers, destroying vital crops like coconut, arecanuts, bananas and more, while even endangering children in affected region. I have repeatedly raised this critical issue, first in 0 hour during the last assembly and more recently through a star question in this session. Yet the response received remained wholly unsatisfactory and failed to grasp the dire intensity of the situation. This is no mere monkey business to be neglected. These primates are devastating our rural agriculture economy, pushing farmers into deeper distress. I urge the government to treat this with the highest priority and provide categorically action point on human measures they intend to implement immediately, including sterilization drives, solar fencing subsidies, bioacoustic deterrents, and a dedicated task force for Bicholim and entire Goa. The people demand swift, effective intervention now. Noted.
Shri Preman Shetty.
Speaker, sir, there is fear and anxiety in the minds of employees appointed on a contractual basis. Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim advertised various posts, namely technician 2 posts, technician electronics 1 post, assistant electrician 1 post, driver heavy vehicle 1 post, attendant 1 post, peon 1 post, security guard 3 posts, respectively. Dated on July 2013, and accordingly the said employees were selected on recommendation of Director of Education, Parvarim, and a post in the Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim dated on 10 June 2013 as per the terms and conditions of contract agreement. Later on, they were appointed at Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim on the terms and conditions under Goa Recruitment Employment Society, Shram Shakti Bhavan, Panjim, dated on 29/2013. Personnel Department wide circular dated on 2/9/2016 decided to obtain information from various government departments, autonomous body, to create a database of such contractual employees, that is Group C and D category, working in the respective organization for the last 5 to 10 years. Further, Personnel Department wide circular dated on 18/12/2017 instructed various departments to submit data of contractual staff Group C engaged on contract basis who are sometimes engaged for long duration, as a government is considered to formulate policy guideline for such contractual staff who were working for the last 5 to 10 years. In pursuance of foresaid circular,
of Personnel Department, and since employees who were duly recommended by the Selection Committee and the Director of Technical Education, Parvarim, and posted in the Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim, and later on by Goa Recruitment and Employment Society dated on 29/2014, offered appointment letter and posted them in the Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim. Until that, in spite of circular of Personnel Department, these employees are working under Goa Recruitment and Employment Society on contract basis. That is from the year 10/6/2013 till date. That is almost 13 years without regularizing of their services nor monetary benefits and no security in the services in spite of having their big families to support their and regular services in the limbo. Considering the high cost of living with large family to support and uncertainty of the services better, employees are mounted and clouded with the fear and anxiety to overcome bleak future of himself and his family in the long run. Speaker sir, हे एम्प्लॉईज जे आसला ते 12-13 एम्प्लॉईज ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्च्युअल घेतलेले पयलीं मागीर तांकां गोवा रिक्रुटमेंट सोसायटीन घेतले.
Honorable member.
The contractual staff has been appointed by Education Department. We'll check with the concerned department for further course of action.
Shri Naresh Cabral and Alton Costa.
Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of carnival float participants and traditional cultural groups across Goa regarding their participation in the forthcoming carnival festivals. Carnival is an internationally recognized cultural event and a major tourism attraction of the state. However, the participants who form its backbone are facing serious financial difficulties. The prize money for carnival floats, especially in the traditional category, has remained unchanged for more than 10 years despite steep rise in cost of fabrication, logistics, manpower and materials. Honorable Speaker, the first prize amount of 1 lakh has become grossly inadequate, making it difficult for participation to even recover the expenditure. This has created apprehension that many traditional groups may opt out, which will adversely affect the quality and cultural richness of the carnival. Considering the international stature of the event and large inflow of tourists during the carnival period, there is a genuine demand for revision of enhancement of prize money ahead of the forthcoming carnival schedule on 14 to 17 February. I request the Honorable Tourism Minister to apprise his House of the steps the government intends to take to revise the prize money and provide adequate support to carnival participants so that this iconic festival continues with full spirit and dignity.
Joint.
Because
This
is the same.
Same thing. Sang.
We have jointly taken. Because sir, हांव मातशें एक दोन आनी सांगता कित्याक मुगेले कॅप्टनचे बाप राहुल पेरेरा म्हणून लायक चेअरपर्सन बीन he has specially told us to take up this. काबराल बराबर गेल्लो. So त्या 1 लाखात एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 5 लाख 10 एकूच लाख
तुझ्या वाड्याला 20, 30, 35
ट्रेडिशनल कॅटेगरी कार्निवल
20, 30,
1 लाख 3 लाख तरी कोरी
बिकॉज कार्निवलाक जेन्ना आमी निलेश तुजे रिप्लाय मातसो राव
Boss,
बिकॉज कार्निवलचो विशय जो आसा आमी बल्क अमाउंट दितात. ईच कमिटी जी आसता डिसायड्स खंयच्या फ्लोटाक कितें दिवप खंयच्या
चुकीचे
ट्रेडिशनल आसा, क्लब इन्स्टिट्यूशनल आसा, फंक जंक आसा, फॅमिली आसा, क्लाउन जोकर आसा, वेगळे वेगळे कॅटेगरीज आसता फॉर वीच द टोटल अमाउंट इज गिवन. 20-23 समज टोटल अमाउंट टू 5 सेंटर वॉज अराउंड 6 सेंटर वॉज 40,50,000 टोटल प्राइज मनी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मडगांव वॉज गिवन 7,35,000 एज प्राइज मनी. तोच 26 आमी ऑलरेडी 1 लाख वाडयलो पयर 1 लाख वाडयलो ऑन द प्राइज मनी. आता प्राइज मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कशी करप ही कमिटी डिसाइड करता. एडिशनली लॉट ऑफ कमिटी टेक प्रायव्हेट स्पॉन्सर्स टू एनहान्स देअर कार्निवल फ्रॉम द इफेक्ट वेर इट इज. हावेवर जे दोन्ही प्रश्न घाल्ले आसा फायनान्शियल इम्प्लिकेशन आशिल्ल्यान मुख्यमंत्री कडेन उलोवन कितें वाडोवंक जाय ते वाडोवन घेवया. Otherwise, those committees which are there, they appropriate decision घेतात. एक capping, let the government take a decision, no? कितरी बरबाद आहे.
प्राइज मनी कितलो दिवस आम्ही पडणार
1 लाखांची किती?
प्राइज मनी कमिटी डिसाइड करता कमिटी
प्राइज मनी गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट दिता. आणि फॉर्मॅट
वाडोवपाचे मागला आम्ही वाडोवपाचे मुख्यमंत्र्याची चर्चा करूया आणि उलोवया
ना 1 लाख हा 19 लाख करपा मग त्यांचे डिमांड 1 लाख हा तो फर्स्ट प्राइज नो नो देयर इज अ प्राइज
परत बहुत मुद्दा सांगता टोटल अमाउंट जो येता एक मिनिट मागचे ऐकूत ऐक टोटल अमाउंट जो येता तो आम्ही कमिटीक दिता तो अमाउंट वाडोवपाक कितें जाय ते मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलयता तातून ते फर्स्ट प्राइज कितलो दिवपाचो सेकंड प्राइज कितलो दिवपाचो ताणी त्या कमिटीक सांगून दिवपाक लावचो आम्ही टोटल अमाउंट दितले
technicality. Our demand is that you increase whatever is the funding that is given to the bodies. We are asking for increase in funding. Because in other words, that is the issue.
स्पीकर सर ऑलरेडी सांगले बाब निलेश काब्राल बाब विषय मांडला टोटल अमाउंट जो वाढूंक जाय
आता बरं
स्पीकर सर टोटल प्राइज मनी वाडोवपाचेर उलोवया इंडिविज्युअल कमिटी कितले वाडले ते आम्ही पडूंक शकना टोटल प्राइज मनी कितलो वाडोवंक जाय ऑलरेडी ह्या वर्सा 1 लाख वाडयलो ऑन द प्राइज मनी आनीकूय वाडोवंक जाय जाल्यार मागीर मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलोवन चर्चा करूया
प्रवीण आलेकर.
स्पीकर सर fear and anxiety in the mind of the people of Penna constituency that there is no direct KTCL bus service from Penna bus station to Panjim at 8 hours. The side bus was in operation and had been stopped by KTCL. Will the Minister of Transport assure on the floor of the House that upcoming new first electric bus will be deployed on the route from Penne to Panjim via Mapsa at least? Speaker sir,
Yeah, Honorable Minister.
Transport Minister आमकां हांगासर उत्तर दिवचे कितें ही आमची एक बस आहा पळय ती खूब तेंप जालो बंद केल्ली आसा ताका खूब फावटी सांगला पण अजूनय ती बस हे जावंक ना
To mention Kela.
Start जावंक ना.
Mention Kela. Honorable Minister.
I already instructed the MD Kadamba Transport Corporation
Shri Ullas
to do
Naikar.
the needful. Thank you.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of people of Salset Taluka. Yes, there is only one single fire station at Ake Margaon in Salset Taluka that caters emergency services to 7 assembly constituencies. It becomes very difficult in simultaneously attending multiple locations during various emergency conditions like fire incident or in clearing uprooted fallen trees. The Nessa industrial estate can be considered in setting up new industrial fire station which would be beneficial for swift action in providing emergency services across Salset Taluka. Speaker sir, 7 मतदारसंघात एक फायर स्टेशन आसा आणि चड करून पावसाच्या दिसांनी जेन्ना झाडां बी पडटा तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी फायर स्टेशनाक आमी जेन्ना फोन करता तेन्ना ते सांगता की 1 वरान आमी पावतले आमी दुसरे कडेन खंय तरी आसा तेन्ना म्हाका सरकाराकडे विनंती करता ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की सालसेटीन जर न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन घातले जाल्यार सगळ्या बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक बरें पडटलें.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
Shri Govind Gowde.
I wish to draw the attention of this Augusta House to the serious difficulties being faced by the beneficiaries of economically weaker, essential housing needs. Houses allotted across the various parts of the state of Goa. It is the matter of grave concern that several EHN houses, though already allotted and occupied, are still without basic amenities such as potable drinking water connections and the electrical supply connections. The beneficiaries who belong to the economical weaker section are forced to live under extremely difficult and the inhuman conditions. Despite repeated applications, representations, files related to the water and electricity connections, to their concerned houses are pending for long periods with both the government departments, leading to the unnecessary hardships and delay The lack of coordination by the concerned departments are causing unavoidable suffering to poor families. I request both the Honorable Minister for the Public Work and Minister for Power Supply to kindly intervene immediately, ensure time-bound clearance of pending files, and direct the concerned officers of the department to provide basic civic amenities without further delay to all EHN housing beneficiaries. This issue requires urgent attention in the interest of the social justice and human dignity in public interest is concerned. Speaker sir, in थोडेशा हांव elaborate करता.
No. Mention.
जालें म्हळ्यार केन्ना जातलें?
दिव्या राणेचो
Honorable Minister, the House is extended by 5 minutes.
एक मिनिट दिव्या राणेचो आसा दिस इज अ मॅटर ऑफ हायकोर्ट डिसिजन आणि CM इज गोइंग टू आन्सर दीस इफ रिक्वायर्ड.
नो स्पीकर सर म्हाका एकूच सांगपाक जाय की जे घरां हायकोर्ट आपले कोमुलदादीचेर जमनीचेर आसात किंवा गव्हर्मेंटल लँडाचेर त्यांनी बांदिल्ले आसात अशे केसीस तुमी कन्सिडर न केल्या कोताक पूण ज्यांचे डॉक्युमेंटेशन क्लियर आसा ह्या घरांत तरी तुम्ही लायट कनेक्शन्स आणि उदकाचे कनेक्शन दिवचे अशें हांवें फाटले फावटी मागणी केल्ली आशिल्ली तेदे वेळार ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्लें आशिल्लें वी वील लुक इन टू द मॅटर बट आज 6 म्हयने जाले ह्यो सगळ्यो कांय गोश्टी जायना कारण ही बेसिक एम्युनिटी आसात दो द हायकोर्ट हॅज गिवन अ डायरेक्शन्स आय थिंक इट इज अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट हू द गव्हर्मेंट इटसेल्फ हॅज गिवन द नंबर टू दिस पीपल आणि म्हणूनच माझी मागणी परत एकदा आसा हे सगळे ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंडाचेर तुम्ही कन्सिडर करून इमिडिएटली दोन्ही डिपार्टमेंटांनी जे कन्सर्न कोणाचेच काय ऑब्जेक्शन ना आणि आपली स्वतःची जमीन घेऊन त्यांच्यानी ही घर बांधिल्ली आसा तांकां दिवचे अशें म्हजे प्रामाणीक आणि सिन्सियर मागणी परत एकदा ह्या ऑगस्ट हाऊसाक आसा.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मेंबर बाब गोविंद गावडे हांणी जो विशय मांडला तो सिरियस विशय आसा म्हज्या तकलेन आसा. आमी AHN नंबराचेर हाऊस आनी इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन हाज्या पयलीं दिताले हितून 2 डिपार्टमेंट तिसरे डिपार्टमेंट पंचायत डिपार्टमेंटूय इन्वॉल्व आसा. AHN नंबराक आमी सगळ्या जाणांक हाऊस कनेक्शन आनी इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन हाज्या पयलीं दिताले. हायकोर्टात हे बॅन केलें आनी हायकोर्टात बॅन केल्या उपरांत आमकां ऑलरेडी म्हणजे लिगल हाजेर AG आनी आमची लिगल टिमूय हे करता की हेजेर लेजिस्लेचर येवपाचो काय सुप्रीम कोर्टात हे ती मागीर विदीन फ्यू डेज वी आर कमिंग अप विथ अ ऑर्डिनन्स ह्या विशयाचेर आनी आमी तांकां जाता तितके बेगीन उदक आनी लायट जी एक्झिस्टींग घरां तेका दितले. जाल्यार कितें मोठ्या प्रमाणात स्लम डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्ल्या कारणान मायग्रन्सी जाल्ल्या कारणान ताका हेन्सफोर्थ तूं जो विशय म्हणटा
प्रॉपर गोंयकार
त्या खातीर ताका पंचायतीकूय बी एखादो अमेंडमेंट हाडचो पडटलो की एटलिस्ट म्हणजे बाबा आपल्या जागेत बांदलेलें घर म्हणजे तेजी लँड तरी टायटल क्लियर आसा तांकां दिवचें हाजेर आमी ऑर्डिनन्स जो आसा पळय हो पंचायतीकूय काडचो पडटा तो काडटा आनी जाता तितके बेगीन म्हणजे हे सोल्युशन धरून जाल्यार 15 दीस ते 1 म्हयन्याच्या भितर सोल्युशन येतलें हांव इतकें एश्युअर करता.
Shri Varesh Borkar.
Thank you. Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn to a very sensitive issue regarding traditional fishermen and Rapankars. As the department has not officially notified fish landing center for the canoes, as in many areas such as Shridav, Bamolim, Naushi, Agasaim, Goavela, Dongri, Nevra. Speaker sir, कितें जाला आतां आमी बांबोळे त्या दिसा एक इश्यू जालो तो म्हणजे रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदता आनी थंय जो फिशींग कॅनोज दवरपाचो स्पेस आसा तो स्पीकर सर थंय बसून पावले. सो हांव डिपार्टमेंटाक वचोन मेवलो डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आसलो फिशरीजाचो ताका डिमांड केल्लो की हें नोटिफाय करचें म्हणून. सो आजून पर्यंत नोटिफाय करूंक ना आनी अशें हांगाच आमच्या स्वातंत्र्य मतदारसंघानूच न्हू गोंयांत कितलेशे अशे हें आसा त्यो कॅनोज दवरपाच्यो आसा त्यो नोटिफाय करपाची गरज आसा. हांव मागता मिनिस्टराक तेंच्यांनी एश्युरन्स दिवचें की ह्या सगळ्यो ज्यो प्लेसीस आसा ट्रेडिशनल प्लेसीस त्यो नोटिफाय करच्यो म्हणून.
Honorable Minister.
नुस्तेकारांच्यो पोनयो दवरता पळय तो जागो जो आसा
चेक विथ द फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट इज हियर दॅट चेक करता
आन्सर करता मिनिस्टराक करता एश्युरन्स दिवनी.
I look into the matter.
Alice Lawrence.
Speaker sir, I draw the attention of the House as regards to the concerns of genuine Goan diaspora who during the travel back to India with gold items including jewelry find existing gold allowance value cap under Customs Act disheartening. As a limit or maximum permissible limit was fixed years ago. Also, it is not kept pace with inflation and current gold prices. The action the state government intends to take or requesting the central government to make certain amendments intends to take for redressing the grievances of our Goan overseas workers, Goan NRIs, by recommending to the central government to revise its limits and move to a weight based allowance system for the benefit of the entire Indian diaspora by moving away from outdated gold jewelry duty-free limits and establishing a fixed allowance limit on weight in grams instead of the changing market prices. There is a need to revise the existing gold value cap. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to take up this issue with the central government and see that there is relief for our people.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
The House is extended by 5 minutes. Shri Divya Rani.
Speaker, sir, the question is the same question raised by Honorable Member Shri Govind Gowdeji. But आमचे मातशे हांगा 70 तालुकान कितें जागे आमचे आल्वाराचेर आसा. So the issue is because of that. So till the माझे घर scheme is लोकांक आपले identity.
Considered.
Papers to be laid. Chief Minister.
Sir, I lay on the table of the House the papers shown against my name in today's list of business.
The House is adjourned till 2:30.